Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Eastern Materials Season 2, Episode 1. We're back with Dark Materials. I reacted to the Season 1. If you want to see my reaction videos about that, I'm gonna put the link if you want to rewatch maybe the season to prepare you for this Season 2. I'm so glad to be back. I'm sorry if I didn't react to the trailer of the season. I don't know why, but I saw that it was out and I watched it on my own without thinking about you. I'm really sorry for that. If you are joining me for this Season 2, welcome. Welcome on my channel. And I prefer also to be honest with you like I was for the Season 1. I read the books when I was a teenager, I loved them a lot, so maybe that's why during the episodes I can say spoilers. So if you didn't read the books, I prefer to warn you, maybe go somewhere else, go watch the reaction videos of a reactor who didn't read them. It's hard, you know, when you know stuff about the books, when you know stuff about the stories, about the characters and all, it's hard to not say it, so I prefer to warn you. It's maybe safer for you to go somewhere else. I'm sure that there is at least one reactor who didn't read the books and it's a reactor for you. But maybe not me. See, I'm fair with you. I'm saying to you, go somewhere else. I'm really playing fair with you. Also, okay, I read the books, but it was a long time ago. And I didn't read them since a long time, so I have some memories about it. Sometimes my memories are wrong, like it was the case for that episode of the Season 1. And you were plenty to tell me that I was so wrong, that I was so stupid and to insult me on the comments. I didn't keep the insult. You have the right to not agree with me and to tell me that I was stupid, but to tell me insults? No. So maybe I can be wrong for little detail. But for big stuff, normally I'm not wrong. And for the big stuff that they changed during the Season 1, I was not really enjoying them. The big one was the fact that they presented us Will during the Season 1. I can understand why. Don't think that I'm that stupid. I understand why. It was clever in a way, you know, to do that, for having Will to not wait for the Season 2, to really, you know, make parallels between the two teenagers. It was clever. But for me, in my opinion, that was also bad because I had the impression that we didn't have enough time to connect with Lyra, and that was frustrating for me, you know. Of course I'm connecting with her because of the books, because I read the books a lot of time when I was a teenager, so of course I'm connecting with the character directly, you know. But for the ones who are watching the show without reading the books first, I think that they didn't have that time. And maybe also I didn't have the time to connect with the actress, you know, who is playing Lyra, with her emotions, with her face, how she's playing stuff and all. That was frustrating for me, especially also because of the fact that they created new scenes which are not into the books. Scenes, you know, with the adults, scenes with Mrs. Coulter, scenes with the Magisterium and all. I loved them. For that, I'm okay really that they are creating these scenes which are not into the books. I'm all for it because it's giving us a new side of the story, something else, something deeper into the show, and you know, they are not changing stuff, they are bringing something new. So I was okay with that, but because of that we were less with Lyra and they were already mixing Lara side of the story and the adults side of the story. So when they brought Will into the game, I was really not happy about it because it was not respecting the books, because I wanted, you know, to discover him during the Season 2. I thought that it was gonna be a big surprise for maybe the end of the Season 1 or the beginning of the Season 2. And even if I loved everything about Will that we saw, all about him. I think that the actor is really great. I didn't like that, you know, it was annoying me a little and a lot because of the fact that it was again giving less time to Lyra on screen. And really right now, even if I'm not as mad as I was during the season 1 about that big change that they made, but I'm still keeping that frustration about it, the fact that we didn't spend a lot of time, not enough time in my opinion, during the season 1 with Lyra. And I think that I'm gonna keep it because right now they're gonna meet. That's gonna be so great, awesome. I'm so excited about the two of them meeting, how it's gonna be. I imagined it so much, you know, into my head that I want to see it now, and I hope that it's gonna be so great. But yes, because of the fact that they are meeting and because of the fact that now into the books we have also chapters with the adults, we're gonna have also scenes with the adults, you know, with the witch, with Mrs. Coulter and all. So we're not gonna have that time, you know, these moments to connect with Lyra like we were supposed to do during the season 1, like during the book 1, when we were really into her head, when we were really with her. So I'm gonna keep that frustration. Don't worry, it's not gonna ruin everything for me, but it's like that, you know, I have to deal with it. I'm so excited about this season 2, but especially with this episode 1, because Lyra and Will are gonna meet. I'm so excited! I'm really like a little child, really like the teenager that I was when I discovered their story. Not really when they met, I was not so excited when they met into the books, but when their story evolved and all, after that, you know, the second time that I read the books, I was so excited about the two of them meeting. It was really like, that's the beginning. That's the beginning, not of a new story, but almost, you know, when they're meeting, that's really this story, you know, going deeper, going further, with symbolic stuff, big new interesting aspects of the story. You know what I'm talking about, you know, the knives, the walls, all of that. In fact, the two of them meeting is really bringing a new thing into the books, and it's gonna bring a new thing into this show. I cannot wait. It's gonna be so great. And even if they told already a lot about that during the first season, I was not really happy about that. I still hope that we're gonna have that thing, you know, that impression, that change during the season 2, like I felt reading the book number 2, that impression that we are going deeper, we are having an all new situation, we are, the world, you know, is expanding, the universe of these books, this show is expanding, is growing, is going deeper, further. I hope that we're still gonna have that impression during the first episode. We're gonna have the meeting, it's gonna be already so great, but maybe during the next month. See, I'm really excited about this season 2, but I still have expectations about it, less expectations than what I had before the season 1. I learned my lesson, but still a lot of expectations. Okay, that's already a long intro for first episode of the season. Are you ready? I think that I am. I really have my kid smile, you know. Let's go. I always said, you know, that I prefer the French word for that, poussière. I find it, you know, more poetic than dust. Oh, wait! Again, too excited. Don't remind me that she's doing all of that for her friend Roger. I can be emotional really quick. Oh.
Witches believe this is the start of a powerful prophecy.
It is.
just too late. We can't go back.
No! You can't go back and Roger is not there anymore, no matter what.
There's a photograph. Just sitting in the sky.
The city! I love it. The knife! They kept it, but they put... Oh, they put still new things in it.
I don't like this.
I like this so much. It's really how I imagined it, you know. That's the tower. You know.
New world, and Azrael simply exploded it into being.
Presumably it was already there. It's hardly ever seen anymore.
It exists.
The sky above our heads. The world is aware we cannot ignore what everyone has seen.
There is a witch on board, caught as part of our roundup of undesirables.
Don't do anything bad to her, I warn you.
Do me the honour of talking with her.
What did you and Azrael discuss on the mountain on that night?
Their love for each other, their kid.
I never reached Azrael, though I went. There's one, possibly multiple worlds up there.
So many.
I didn't reach Azrael in time, and I vow now never to fail.
You let him go.
I believe that I am more
persuasive.
And if I discover nothing, and do your worst.
You're playing her so good. I love everything about this character, you know, the villain character, but in another way, I hate it. Not everything. I always recognized, even when I hated her character, that she loves Lyra. Really. Badly, but she loves her. When are you gonna meet, guys? I'm dying, waiting for the two of you to meet.
Sorry I scared you.
It didn't scare me. Sorry, I scared you.
Right.
Your future.
Is this your house?
No. We're Barry. Where's your demon? How's it talking?
Don't.
It does know not to touch me, right?
No.
You don't have a demon?
I can't see one.
That's impossible.
She's afraid.
Wait.
You're so bad changing.
Don't make assumptions. He seems kind. Could be helpful.
You don't know how much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm annoying and all, but I'm too excited.
Compass too. I'm not being strange.
The whole world is talking about
I am
that
trying
in
to
the
control
sky.
myself.
The witches will want us to join the fight.
Isn't that so? Perhaps she's our only chance to... Hi.
I need to control myself.
Hi.
Come on, you're not a teenager anymore. Control yourself.
It's just, I've never seen a demon before. To me, demon means something evil. Thanks.
Nah,
You're not from here, are you? From this world?
he knows.
Me neither. I followed a cat through a hole in the air. It sounds mad. So there are 3 worlds and 2 windows, all connected to him. And I don't know whether I'm odd for not having a demon or you're odd for having a but maybe we could look around together. The 3 of us.
I can't control myself. I can't. I swear. I'm trying my best.
You know that you're trapped. You and your demon. All you have is the information you carry. I'm looking for a child. Last seen with an Aeronaught and one of your kind. At Ulvana.
I can tell you nothing.
Witches, cloud pine. Is it true that within it is your ability to fly? Your ability to use magic?
Don't She's terrifying me. In all of my body, I can. Ah!
Dust.
You don't have dust?
No, we
No.
have dust. I'm just guessing my dust is not the same as your dust.
Well, some people think it's
Clever
the
boy.
There's someone there.
Kids! Will, come on! Clever boy!
You're the only other people we've seen here. We just want to know about this place.
Oh, that young actress, I know her.
Where are the grown-ups?
clever ones run. Since the attack, spectres are everywhere. How bad, these spectres?
Spectres.
You're still a girl.
It's the same word in French, but we are saying it differently.
When you're a man, and the spectres can get you. Just like Tilio. Who's Tilio? They take your insides out. You're still alive, but everything that makes you human. What are you doing?
Paying for the food bin.
Paying who?
Eating, not paying for it, stealing.
What do you think?
Come
of
on,
that?
you too.
I don't trust them.
Nor do I. They didn't have demons either.
Yeah, looks like you're the one.
Losing Lyra. I've concerned myself with a man named Stanislaus Grumman. Well, there is rumors around him, but people say he knows the whereabouts of some kind of object that gives magical protection.
You're so beautiful, my
The
dear.
trouble she's in.
This protection will be of use to her wherever she is.
You think so?
And whenever you need my help, hold it in your hand and call to me. I shall hear you wherever you are.
Lord Asriel has opened the way. From this, we must decide our part to play.
Katya Circa has been taken prisoner by the Magisterium. I have word they are rounding up anyone who questions their authority. Join me in rescuing Katya. I believe we have no choice.
The prophecy was clear. We must find the child.
The Magisterium has thrived under your indifference. Ruta's guardian will show that we are indifferent no more, with or without your clan's help.
I love the fact that they are making discussions, more discussions than during the season 1 between demons.